So here we are. We're on to the next step here. We have ARP'd everything. It's got the ultra torque on it. We've done the washers, the top side of the head, the washer, and the bottom side of the nut, plus the threads here. We have rolled each thread in till it's basically hand tight, and then we backed it off just a little bit because we used a little impact driver, and then we backed it off and then rolled it in by hand again. So everything is down. Okay, so we've got Eli here. He is on, which one is that?
22.
22. So we, ARP says 3 equal increments to get up to 125 feet-pounds. We go slower than that. So we're doing 25 foot-pound increments all the way up to 125. So this is 25 feet-pounds. We like that because it lets us know if there are any problems. So when we're starting off, if you can feel anything funky, you'll feel it right now. Follow ARP's instructions. As always, we always say, do your homework, do what you want to do. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to turn, we're going to loosen up the torque wrench there, and we're going to turn it up to 50 feet-pounds. All right, so we've adjusted the torque wrench to 50. He's going to follow the pattern, which is we're starting on 1 there. There it is. Okay, we got 2. We're coming in on 2. We're trying to do it in 1 solid pull. There's 2. There's 3. And he's going to keep going. We're going to stick it on pause. We'll come back when we're on the final rotation and finishing up at 125.